The third deposit that makes up the 1.2 million ounce resource is the Nyam deposit. It is the smallest of the three zones. I think that's largely reflective of the fact that it's just had less drilling completed on it here. We've tested about 1.8 kilometers of the structure, but as we'll see in the three-dimensional model, it certainly continues for much greater distance than that. Again, we're seeing some really nice widths of mineralization, and again, although it's currently the smallest, we see some really good grades here at Nyam, consistently getting some of the more better highlighted grades in terms of our recent drilling. So again, this is the three-dimensional model. We're dealing with the pit shell from the resource estimate, the solids that form the resource in blue, and then the drill traces, which are in black with the highlighted gold intersections in yellow. So a couple of things to take away here. Again, similar to the other zones, because our exploration methodology is quite similar in all these cases. We're extending these zones along strike. We're putting in some of these deeper holes, and although they're not complete gaps here, we've been filling in some drilling where, again, because of the lack of density of previous drilling, the resource estimate wasn't able to continue its way through there. So currently 1.55 thousand ounces, 155,000. Again, this is all of the drilling, both the 2020, 2021 drilling and the historic drilling. I'll note here, this is actually the adjacent Kojina Hill showing. We've put some drill holes in there, released some results, and in one of the slides coming up here, we'll see that actually sits on a sub-parallel structure. So we'll focus in now on the 2020, 2021 drilling. Again, you can see we've got a nice step out here to the north, so that's about 300, 400 meters that we've added to the extent. We've got some really nice holes here in the south, and now we've drilled some additional sections even farther south than that, and we'll see that that's one of our highlight holes is right on the southern edge, so we've extended the zone there. And then again, we'll look at a cross-section here from some of these deeper holes where we see some of those higher grade results starting to occur. So again, you see the linear nature of this Nyam deposit, similar to the other ones where we see some of these loci of better grades. They're associated with some cross structures that go in there, especially here in the south where we've got an oblique structure that's coming in there. Where we get the intersection of these structures, that's where we're getting some of these much better grades. And that is highlighted here by hole 17. It's one of the first holes we put in the 2020 program. 45 meters of 1.4 grams per ton. And that included 6 meters at 625. So some really nice grades coming out of there. And again, the zone is open to the south. We're doing some additional drilling, expanding on that now. Again, the drilling in the main portion of the deposit. What we see here now, we put the deepest hole in. Again, this is an RC hole, about 200 meters vertically below surface. Still seeing some really nice widths, 1.6 grams over 40 meters, but also seeing some really nice grades. So we've got 9 meters here of 5.4 grams per ton, and then the adjacent section, which is 100 meters away, we're seeing some really nice continuity. So still some wide widths, two zones, in this case, 23 meters and 25 meters. So adding up to 48 meters, and within the lower zone here, 7 meters at 5.8. So although it's the smallest, again, lots of room to grow at Nyam, and we've had some real success and real advancement with the drilling that we've done in 2020 and 2021.